What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a new, man. What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a brand new product in from my peoples over at Showchrome. Hopefully, by the time I do this video, it'll be out for you to buy. Brand new prototype. It has not even had its own box yet, but I could tell you the name. Follow me. This is it right here. Comes in a brown box. I don't even know why it's not in the Showchrome box yet, but I'm quite sure by the time you guys get it, it'll come in the Showchrome box. But you know what it is? It is the new and improved. Well, I think it's the brand new. It's not improved. This is called the Covert windshield for the Can-Am Ryker. So we're gonna do an install on this wonderful, beautiful bike right here. Take it around, see how it feels, but already I'm loving the style and the shape. So let's get ready to do an install. All right, so we have the new Covert windshield. Beautiful name, huh? I don't know who came up with that name, but he did a good job. Mounting hardware and the bracket. Looks like everything is gonna mount to this. The instructions tell you exactly what you're gonna need to mount it, what tools and everything. So let's start by getting the brackets on. All right, so we have the screws. So this is going to be the first part of the install. Check it out. It leaves you a space for the Allen. Make sure you leave that part out when you insert it into here. Check it out. Point down to here. Come in and get me a close-up. So these screws are going to go in here. So this is going to be the first part of mounting. So what you're going to need is a little Allen key to tighten up these screws. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. I'll be putting the fourth one in and then applying the bolts right after this. Okay, so you're gonna need a 10mm to hold this nut. And Allen, yeah, you're gonna need some Allens. So what you're gonna do is put the Allen key in there. You're gonna hold that and tighten it up. Make sure everything's secured, because this is where the bracket's gonna go. And I'll show you what the brackets look like. But you're also gonna have a couple of washers and lock nuts and some locking washers in this bag and some rubber grommets, and all of that's going to be part of putting the windshield on. But right now we have the main part on. Make sure this is secure. These are tight because you don't want these to move with vibration. See, that one's loose. We're gonna tighten that one up, so just cautionary on that. All right, so both flange or whatever nuts they call it, I don't know what nuts they call this, but it says it in the book. I'm just too lazy to look. So definitely make sure you put the washer on the top one, no washer on the bottom one, and that's how it's gonna look with the bracket on. You're gonna repeat the steps for both sides. Then we're gonna put it on the windshield. Final procedure. We got the brackets on. Here's the windshield. The Covert windshield. Love the name of the Covert windshield. I think it's the greatest name ever. Here we go, this is it. So we're gonna install that bad boy. First we gotta take this little plastic wrap off. Woo, look at shiny tinted black. Man, it's got rubber grommets, so it's no vibration, right? We're gonna put it on with this screw, a washer, and a bolt in the back. It's gonna go in there like that, like that. Sorry, like that. And we're gonna put these little bolts in the back. And after I tighten everything up, I'll give you some 360 views on how it looks. Got it installed. Allen. These are Allen head screws. They got washers, rubber grommets. You're gonna hold it with a 10mm, so you're gonna need a 10mm. Right here is the final step. Let's pull that off, and that's a windshield. Look at me. So that's how you install the Covert windshield, new from people over at Showchrome. I'm just hoping that it is out by the time I drop this video. If not, pre-order. I'm gonna do a 360 on it and let y'all check it out. Thanks. And always ride safe, ride safe.